Here you go, Mom. 54th birthday tomorrow. I got her a sweet gift. She's gonna love it.
It's about you, isn't it?
Nope. Be careful, it's a little windy.
If it's about you, I'm sure it is.
I'm gonna go free loot.
I mean, this is, you never seen anything like this before.
Man, this is really good for me.
Mom, just enjoy. This is about to be something special. Meg, get down. She wants to play too. Oh man, I can't wait to see it. Be careful with it.
What is it, glass?
No, be careful with it.
The ice.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at that. It's me.
Oh my God.
Dang, you do that full circle, man. Oh my gosh.
You are so happy about you.
It is awesome.
You are so happy about
Yeah, you gotta love it, huh?
My goodness.
Man, let me see that. Let's see. Let me get a little close up. Boy, ain't bad right there.
You're not putting this on Facebook.
That.
Right?
Dang. No.
Right?
Holy crap. Happy birthday. Woo. Look at there, Mom
That's
and
better not be my birthday
that's
present.
Mom and son.